Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing part 2 of our headlight install here at my uncle's garage. Guys, if you haven't already, make sure you check out part 1 up here in the right hand corner. So basically guys, we had the flat brackets that we were working on last week. We've scrapped that whole idea and gone with these new cylindrical bars. Alright, let's take a look at some of the work we've done. Alright team, so what we're looking at here is our 2 brackets we've manufactured already and our cylindrical bar that we've also bent into shape. This is our bottom bracket here, smaller in size. Here's our top bracket. So yeah, it's got a 16mm hole here in the top, same with the bottom one. These will fit the rubber grommets off the original headlight inside of here, and then we welded together like so, if you can imagine. So basically this will go together like so and will be easy flow welded together. Alright, let's do this. Alrighty guys, and here is the finished product. This is our first bracket we've put together so far. Still to do the other one here. But yeah, it's a perfect fit. We did a really good job with our measurements, and yeah, this fella sits on top and this one goes down the bottom. Now all we're left to do is weld the second one and then on with our side brackets. But we'll leave that guys for part 3. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video. My name is Morphine City, and as always guys, if you've enjoyed the content today, feel free to give it a like, subscribe if you're enjoying my content, and we'll see you guys next time. Have fun, stay young, peace.